Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, tow hitch, power passenger seat, power lift gate, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.